In your Globe Flexigon Smart Neon Strip Light box, you will find the Flexigon Smart Controller, Power Adapter, 4 curved brackets, 15 mounting brackets, 23 screws, 20 pieces of adhesive tape, and your information sheet. Download the Globe Suite app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Globe Suite. Download the app, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your smartphone or tablet. Assemble the device. Connect the power adapter to the smart controller. And then connect the smart controller to the Flexigon. Next, determine your setup location. The Flexigon diffuses light evenly with no visible hotspots to smoothly light and accent any part of your home or garden. The Flexigon is suitable for indoor and outdoor environments. Since certain outdoor locations may bring your device farther away from your Wi-Fi modem, we recommend pairing your device at the desired location before completing the rest of the physical setup. To pair your device, plug in the power adapter at the desired location. The Flexigon should start blinking automatically. If it does not, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Hold down the power button on the controller for 5 seconds. Once it is blinking rapidly, this means your Flexigon is in pairing mode and is ready to connect. To connect to your Flexigon, ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. The default scan connection method will automatically start. Ensure your Bluetooth is turned on. Allow the scan to complete to discover your smart devices. When prompted, confirm your Wi-Fi name and password. Wait a few moments for the Flexigon to connect. Once your device is listed, tap Done. Once your device is successfully paired, you can confidently proceed to the installation at the desired location. To facilitate installation, please unplug the Flexigon. To install the Flexigon, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. First, ensure the surface area of your desired location is clean. Then, mount the Flexigon. For vertical or hanging locations, use the included mounting brackets. Secure the mounting bracket using a single screw. Then, push the Flexigon into the clamp. Repeat as needed. For installation around corners, use the included curved brackets. Secure the curved bracket around the corner using 2 screws. Then slide the Flexigon into place. The Flexigon can also be installed without brackets. If you wish to adjust the Flexigon length for a better fit, cutting marks can be seen on the bottom of the Flexigon. Peel off the included adhesive tape and secure the smart controller to the location of your choice. Once mounted and adjusted as desired, plug the Flexigon back into the power source. You can now control your Flexigon from the device's controller or the Globe Suite app. On the Globe Suite home screen, select the Flexigon to access its controls. Tap On in the middle of your screen to turn on your Flexigon. In the White panel, you could adjust your Flexigon's brightness using the slider near the bottom of the screen. To switch your light from white to color, select the Color panel at the bottom of your screen. Choose a color from the wheel or one of the preset options. You can also adjust the saturation and brightness using the sliders. Select the Mood panel at the bottom of your screen to access active lighting options. Choose one of the preset options or tap Add a new mood to create your own. Customize the color group, saturation, and brightness. Choose a transition and set the speed of the color changes. Name your new mood, then tap Save. To explore automatic lighting routines, choose Routine at the bottom of your screen. You can choose from a variety of preset routines which were designed for easy, everyday household needs. Each routine is unique and can be customized to your liking. Use the option Add a new schedule to create additional routines that fit your specific needs. To set a countdown for your Flexigon to turn on or off, use the timer at the top of the Routines panel. Connect your smart Flexigon with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within Smart Scenes. To pair your device, go to your profile, and then tap Integration. Select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to and connect your account to the Globe Suite app.